Alright, so today the plan is to pull the transmission out of this so we can drop it off to have it rebuilt. But before I can get to that point, the plan is to move that out, clean all the stuff over there to make room so we can move this over to where that is, and then drive that in and out of this spot, because with this being over here we have zero room to even jack the car up. So that being said, well, she was giving me a little squeak. Starting to go away though. Guess it has been sitting around for 6 months, so I'll give it a little squeak, but kind of annoying. So, yep, got that out and start to get all this other stuff cleaned up in here. Get this moved over, sweep the floor, you know, all that fun stuff. So, finally got it up on these wheel cribs. As Damian would say, we're
shaking hands with danger.
Shaking hands with danger.
Play the clip.
Here, shake hands with danger.
Shake hands with danger. Need a guy who ought to know. I used to laugh at safety. Now they call me Three-Finger Joe.
So, as the beginning of the video said, we're pulling the transmission out of this beast. If you've made it this far in the video, we appreciate you watching. We appreciate your support. We appreciate you watching this far into it. I know it's, you know, not the most exciting video, but this is part of it. Part of owning cars like this. And I think Damian is learning that it takes money and patience and time, and you sink all kinds of time and money into it and still don't get to drive it. So we'll see you underneath the car. So I guess first and foremost we got to remove the torque converter bolts. You like these stacked washers up here on the starter bolts? Isn't that awesome?
It is.
Only Chevy owners do stupid shit. Look at this pan. Isn't
That's nice.
a nice pan? Then we got to go for the drive shaft only. Probably first. Look how solid this car is, though.
Because it never gets drove.
No rust in the floor pans. I usually like to rust out back here. Back there. And then up here on the floorboards. It's all nice and solid. So we'll get this stupid thing pulled out and give you a clip of it being dropped out, and yeah, all that fun baloney. So, if you've never dropped the transmission before, yep, we haven't either. See you in a while. Yep. What, 0 seconds for you later? And, I don't know.
Way too many hours later.
Yep, lots of hours later, we've got, oh, this mess of a contraption going here. All the bell housing bolts are, or transmission housing, whatever you'll call it. All the bolts are out.
Drive shaft out.
Yep. All that's left right now is the, that thing.
Transmission.
The cross member mount, tail shaft mount, whatever. all the lines are unhooked, stuff like that. So, yep, we'll get this pulled out, whatever. So, yep, there you have it.
Have you ever wondered what it looks like underneath a car with no transmission? Probably not, but there you go. That's what it looks like. Pretty roomy. That's the back of the engine if you didn't know. It's pretty cool. We'll also show you another quick tip. What's gonna help us save several hours. We bagged up all the bolts that we took apart, and we labeled them and wrote some paragraphs on there showing us how to screw them in, because we might not be smart enough to do it.
How to screw them in?
Yeah.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Are you sure? I thought it was the other way.
Depends on what you're working on again.
There she is.
Alright, boys and girls. Appreciate you. Whoops. What did I hit? Appreciate you hanging out with us here. I know we didn't film a lot, and I know it's kind of a boring video. But this was a stretch over, several days worth of work just getting the garage set up to get this car up on the stands that we made. And get everything situated to where we can get this car in and out, because, you know, racing season is almost here, so looking like that one's going to get some more racing in before anything else that we have. So we're going to go drop this off Southern Indiana to the transmission guy, pick my transmission up for a video that, or a video series we have coming on another car. So once again, we appreciate you watching. If you've made it this far, which I would say 95% of you haven't or don't, so anything you'd like to say?
No. We'll put back in. We'll show you all the UMI parts we got in it.
Yep, I'm gonna put some UMI parts back in with it. So, okay, well, we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.